Hello fellow understaters and welcome! I just had a fantastic day starting with rig building. I got a lot of photos and here they are! Also, I've been suffering a bit of abuse from Matthew. No! Stop it! No! Stop! Also, seeing as the last time I said I tried to keep my vlogs lower than 2.5 minutes, at the 4.5 minute mark, I think I should try and keep this vlog as short as possible by saying the last thing I did in the day was I went to the Design Society meeting, which I didn't even have that much to drink, but I did manage to get a photo with everybody there. So if you're from the Design Society, here they are. And lastly, on the way back from the Design Society meeting, I had a Prontos. What is this? What? The wedge? What's a wedge doing in my chips? At least you have fucking chips. I just got a wedge.
Oh, look at that.
Stupid wedge.
Is it cold?
A wedge trying to be a chip. You're not a chip. I'm not even gonna eat you. You're gonna there.
Eat it, you pansy.
Yeah, that's not getting eaten. That's a wedge. It's a chip. How is that for a short vlog?